Steps to register authority to print on ORUS. Log in to your account. Select secondary registration. Select authority to print receipts or invoices. Click Fill up ATP form. Click Validate. Click the drop-down and select a business or trade name. Click Continue. Select Apply for authority to print, then click Search Accredited Printer. Input your selected printer by typing printer's name or printer's PIN, then click Search. Click Select. Click Continue. Click Add Row. Select applicable information. Input all necessary information, then click Add Receipt. Click Add Row for additional receipt, invoices. Review your receipt, invoice, then click Continue. Upload sample of receipt, invoice, and PCD for subsequent application. Click OK. Review your application. Read the terms and conditions. Tick the box and submit application. Click Confirm. Download your ATP. Thank you.